Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application. I just want to close it, and after that scroll here to the sound section. Now just click here, and you can see now the media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. We can switch the volume of our media, ringtone, notification and alarm volumes by just swipe these blue dots to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. Also here we have the volume button function control. So now here we have selected the media, and now this means that when we'll use the volume buttons here on the right side of the device, we'll switch media, not the ringtone, and we can just switch it to the ringtone, and by this way we'll use our volume buttons to control and to change the ringtone. Here we have the vibration settings. We can switch vibration just for calls to always to vibrate, first when the ringing gradually and never to vibrate. Also I have here the notification vibration. We can turn it on or turn it off this option just by click once on the switcher here. Also we can set here the don't disturb mode, so we can turn it on or turn it off. We can just switch the access just to the for the messages, calls and different applications here, and we can set a schedule to the start and end time or the don't disturb. We can switch here also the ringtone media, phone ringtone, notifications and alarm ringtones just by select one from these available sounds. And also here we have the other sound settings and vibration. We can here activate or turn off the dial buttons, the screen lock, unlock sounds, the charging sounds, touch sounds. This touch screen means the screenshot sounds, and also the vibration for the charging vibration, touch vibration, and vibration when the other party answers hangs up. So here we can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click on each of the switchers by this way. And here we have also the ear customized sound settings, so we can turn it off or turn it on just and switch it. Just here we have the under 30 years old, 30, 60 and above the 60 years old. Also we can turn off this feature. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Vivo device. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.